Another perfect landing coming up, Penny.
Altitude looking good, Captain.
Just as planned, Penny. Almost there. Smooth as butter. What was that?
We hit something! We're losing control!
My building! No! Brace for impact! My beautiful water tower. And my prize-winning petunias.
Penny? Are you okay?
My head and my uniform is all wet.
Look, Mom! A helicopter crash! Oh dear. I hope everyone is all right.
All right, team. We've got a chopper down. Upper levels! We need to get out of here. Is anyone out there?
I hear sirens! Help is coming!
Yes, fire department. They're trapped. On the roof! Access from the north side, Fred. We'll need the aerial ladder.
Got it, Chief. There's your fire's trace Cellblade. Save us part 2.
Stuck! This is bad, Penny.
What do we do now?
Hello? Can you hear me? Are you hurt? We're stuck. Send help.
We're in here!
Finally! Get up here, firefighters!
Look! The ladder! They're almost here! Thank goodness!
Chief Blaze! What's the situation?
They're trapped inside, and my water tower is destroyed! Are you two all right in there? Just a little shaken, Chief, and stuck. Stand back! This might be a bit loud. All right, we're free.
Careful now, pilot!
Thanks, Chief. You're a lifesaver.
I assume you're the pilot responsible for this mess?
Captain Maverick, at your service.
Mostly.
2 occupants safely evacuated, over. Helicopter is heavily damaged.
And my property damage report will be substantial.
Well, that could have gone worse.
It could have gone a lot better too, Captain.
More fire trucks! And a police car!
Check for any fuel leaks, Fred, and secure those rotors.
On it, Chief!
This is a prime example of why I prefer my roof access restricted.
My apologies, sir. Just a slight miscalculation.
It's not funny, dear. This is a very serious situation.
But it's like a movie.
We need you off this roof. Fred will guide you down the ladder.
Understood, Chief. Thanks again.
Take it slow, officer. One step at a time.
Will do, Fred.
Easy does it, Captain.
Right.
Just.
Not my preferred exit.
Glad to be on solid ground.
Good job, officer.
Never thought I'd be so happy to be grounded.
We hit the antenna, then lost control.
A minor navigational anomaly. Looks like a total loss for the water tower.
And my prize-winning petunias are drowning.
Looks like everyone is safe now, thank goodness!
Can we watch the cleanup?
Requesting heavy lift and cleanup crew for rooftop. Over.
Almost got it. This bird's ready to fly, sideways.
All right, let's get this metal bird off the roof.
Wow! It's going to lift it! Yes, dear. A very big tow truck.
One less hazard on the rooftop. Now about those petunias. Petunias.
Well, there she goes. Needs a bit of a tune-up.
More than a tune-up, Captain.
Thank you, Chief. You saved the day, mostly.
Just doing our job, sir.
That was the best, Mom.
Let's hope we don't see another one soon, dear.
Right. Time to order new petunias. And a stronger antenna.
Maybe we should start with the basics this time, Captain.
Perhaps a new co-pilot manual, too.